Good morning. It is Saturday, November, girl, what? It is January 6th. And for some reason I have a boost of energy, but outside of the boost of energy, maybe it's time to de-Christmas this house. Okay, I have to take down the Christmas tree. As you can see, these are not actual toys, those are just boxes that I made. We have this going on top of this, so it's time for me to de-Christmas this house because I need to jump back into reality. I need to clean up real quick. The kids are still sleeping and it's snowing outside. So look at this. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Y'all, it's snowing and I gotta go to Home Depot. I need a shovel, I need salt. I need all of these things because I never had to worry about getting the snow up because I wasn't a homeowner. So I won't get sued if anyone just so happens to slip and fall. I need to get that done. So but first I'm gonna go ahead and take this Christmas tree down, de-Christmas my house, clean up the living room really quickly, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to Home Depot. I do have some things planned today. I'm supposed to be going out with my cousin for her birthday to this nice restaurant. So but let's go ahead and get the de-Christmasing taken care of because I need to get into reality of my house actually needs to be decorated. So all right, I'll see y'all in a minute. I don't know about y'all, but I recycle gift bags because, like, why not, you know? So just take the tissue paper out, fold them up. Since this is with the Christmas stuff, I'll just put it in here because obviously I'll pull it out around Christmas. And then this is the main stuff. Now, as far as this goes, oh, and I'm forgetting some stuff too. Okay, but as far as the boxes go, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be I may recycle these boxes. I may go put them in a recycle bin because I don't think I'm gonna be reusing them. It was cute, but next year, obviously I'll have furniture and stuff. So yeah, let me lift this up. Obviously pillows, cute, gotta go. All right, so I was able to stuff the pillows in the little box for the Christmas tree. I'm so glad I grabbed this before the I grabbed it during Christmas, actually. Like when I was shopping, I was like, oh, I know I'm gonna need this. So, and it fits perfectly above the my little thing that I have here. So I want to get another one of these, y'all, because I'm trying to find ways to organize this little space, but that's for another day. Yeah. Uh-oh. Where's a man when you need one? I don't know where I put this at. Let me see. This need to go somewhere where I don't. What's in these totes? Artifacts. I need to organize. Like it's too much. Too much. I need to really figure out the organization here. I really do. It's like it's a perfect size, but I just would prefer to have two of these on the long wall, and if I have two of those on the long wall, then I would have more space, because then I could put the totes right here, and it's not expensive. I don't know, I think I paid like $30–40 for that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, when I go to Home Depot today, I may grab another one of these because I need more space. I need to measure it out though. Where's my measuring tape? Just to make sure. Oh yeah, it'll be more than enough space. So I think I'm gonna grab another one of those so I can turn that around and put another one right here. I mean, I can tell this more. I don't even need to really measure that. And then probably towards the end, I'll put the totes. But, so I'm gonna leave this sitting right here for now until I come back to organize. Because we need justice. No justice, no peace. No peace for real, because now it's like that's on my mind. And yeah, I'm looking at that, y'all. I am. Now for these boxes. See, baby girl, you know, we in our own house, and you know, and I grew up, she likes to be just in her undies. Cover your booty up. Cover your booty up. So, I need to get rid of these boxes. I'm gonna break them down. What's the problem? What? I feel like you're just being extra. Okay, so yeah, for these boxes, I'm gonna go ahead and break them down, and I'm going to just put them in a recycle bin. Finally got a recycle bin. And the bow, I'm gonna keep the bow, because I mean, you can all, I don't know, yeah, I'm gonna keep the bow, but the little boxes, these are just boxes of just random boxes of stuff that I got back from like ordering stuff from Amazon or whatever case may be. So I'm gonna break these down, put these inside the recycle bin outside when I go out, and that's gonna be that. I'll see y'all up at Home Depot. she had this right here. Okay, so the last time y'all saw me was a few days ago. It had to have been 2 or 3 days ago. I did order the extra shelf in here, so we're gonna put that up. But baby, in Chicago we're having like a little snowstorm, and I had to remember that I'm a homeowner and I am responsible for making sure that don't nobody slip and fall. So I had to go get a shovel and some salt to salt the side areas and all that good stuff. So I need to go do that right now. I gotta get some gloves because, like, how am I supposed to do this without gloves? So luckily I do have some plastic gloves, and I also have these gloves. I think I'm gonna use just one of these, and then I bought a bucket of salt, so I'm gonna pour some of that in this bag so I don't have to carry the bucket around, unless I put the bucket inside of the wagon and just drag the wagon. We'll see. So let me go put on my coat real quick because I do have, oh, that's dark. I do got a doctor's appointment, which they called me, thank God they called me in the nick of time, because I was literally looking like, oh, it's looking crazy outside. So we're gonna do a virtual visit in the next hour. So I need to get this done real quick so I can get that taken care of, and I'll be back. Child, baby girl going crazy because she think I'm gone. I'm only going to the darn garage. That's all. That's it, that's all. Hold on. Y'all, my house is a blessing, but I sure can't wait till I have like an attached garage. You know what I mean? A nice attached garage. Okay, so it's just so, but I'm grateful because I am grateful. And I'm trying to see, am I going to put this, I bought this big thing, and this thing is 40 pounds. This thing heavy, so I think I'm gonna put that inside the wagon and just drag the wagon and put the salt everywhere. Oh, this thing heavy. Get your weight up, girl. Lord Jesus, this thing is a little bit too heavy for me. Lord, have mercy. I'm gonna have to put the wagon out there first, and then everything else. It's like a little stoop right there that it has to go down. And I need to take the garbage out. I ain't gonna make Noah take it out this time around. Well, we might just take it tomorrow if he go to school, depending on how bad it looks outside. We'll see. Oh, this shit is heavy. Where's the man when you need him? Okay, let me close this door and get started. Sit you down. Now I don't know how to open the darn thing. I don't know how to open it. Okay, so we're back. My feet are cold. Y'all know Uggs are not waterproof. My toes are all wet and cold, and child, it took me forever and a day to pry that darn thing open, first of all. Oh my gosh, it took so long. So now it's about 5:32. My doctor's appointment is at 6:20. So I'm about to make the kids some food, and then I got more to do, but I'm sure after I get done making up some food, it'll be time for me to go to the doctor. So I'm finna see if I can get, I'll tell y'all what, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm finna try to do after I get a response from my doctor. We'll see. I don't know if I'm finna cook though. I wanted to make a veggie stir fry because I am fasting this month with, oh, okay, I got some, okay, I can make some fresh french fries. I got some potatoes left over that I need to cook like ASAP before they go bad. And then I have some Maxwell Street Polish. I can throw those in the air fryer. And I don't have any bread. I don't have any bread, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm about to go ahead and cut up these potatoes, and then I'm gonna put those in the air fryer and stuff. And then I got the double air fryer, so I can make both at the same time. So let me go ahead and do that, baby. I'm contemplating if I want to drink my wine while I'm at this appointment. Not while I'm at the appointment, but like when I'm cooking, I like to sip on a glass of wine. Okay, so I don't know, we'll see. But y'all, I'm tired. I am tired. Let me go ahead and cook though. It's freezing outside. I'm about the last. Child, we'll talk about that when I get back. Okay.